Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a very beautiful copper zari war sarees with very elegant meena work and all silk weaving, a fully hand woven beautiful design. You can see the beautiful copper glow. The warp itself is copper here, and violet threads are used to get a beautiful saree with tree design. The tree design is done using silver zari, and we have pink birds used here. Pink zari, pink threads are used, and we have pink borders. The borders here are jacquard weaving done using silver zari. Top border is 4 inches and the bottom border is 8 inches. A perfect Kanjivaram border. And we have a very elegant pallu. The pallu is also very elegantly zari woven. Fully copper zari base and pink are used, and we also have silver and copper zari usage in the pallu design. And we have blouse piece which is plain. Both zari as well as pink threads are used for the total blouse here. And we also have the borders which we can use for the sleeves. Excellent saree, very beautiful combo, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, bridal collection, very differently woven saree here. Beautiful design, light pastel shade color, best one for the weddings and the party wear. Light pista green color, the pastel shade of light green with all over silver zari weaving, mild floral pattern, closely woven, beautiful design. And we have golden zari borders. The borders are 8 inches both sides, very pretty one, with the pallu which is also very beautiful on the same green color. Golden zari is woven, very closely done, beautiful pallu. The blouse piece here is very different with silver zari borders, very differently being done. The saree's border is gold and the blouse piece border is silver with mild embossed pattern in the blouse piece. Very different pattern, beautifully woven. Blouse piece zari is completely contrast to the body color zari, which is very pretty, which is in the body portion. Excellent one with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a bridal collection. Very beautiful copper zari bar saree with a beautiful glow. Here you can see the base of copper, very elegantly visible, and the neon green is used all over with meena work, a beautiful design, all self weaving, and we have silver zari borders. The borders are very elegant here. The top border is 4 inches border, jacquard weaving on the neon green base, and we have 8 inches border in the bottom. The beautiful mangoes design. The pallu of the saree is copper zari and green mix. You can see the barb itself here is copper zari, green mixed color. Beautifully woven pallu. The pallu is very grand with meena work. And the blouse piece here is also a zari and combination of silk with borders on both sides. Excellent work, beautiful saree, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk. A very beautiful copper zari base saree with very elegant pink combination. Here we have Rani pink, a very beautiful combination, rare and elegant color, very attractive. You can see the copper glow as well as the pink's beauty in this particular saree. All over floral pattern. The pattern also have a golden zari shaded design. Really, it's very rare in weaving. Beautiful handloom weaving with the silver zari border. The border have pink base and silver zari is used here. Top border is 3 inches and the bottom border is 8 inches. And we also have the pallu, which is also in the hexagon weaving pattern. Very fast moving, beautiful collection. All over this pallu is also very elegant with copper zari weaving. We also have meena work in the pallu. A rich collection with copper and silver, copper and pink in the pallu also, as well as in the blouse piece. Blouse piece have beautiful borders which we can use for the sleeves of the saree. Beautiful collection. Grab yours soon. It comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal collection. A premium quality bridal silk in Kanjivaram with all self weaving. The bar here is completely copper zari. On it, violet color threads are used along with pink used for the meena work. A beautiful 3D type designing, very elegantly woven using zari and threads. And the pallu of the saree and borders are in same color. Very bright pink, it's a candy pink color, and we have silver zari woven design. Top border is 4 inches and the bottom border is 8 inches. Very elegant peacock and the traditional Kanjivaram border design. The pallu of the saree is also in the same pink along with copper zari weaving. Beautiful zari woven pattern. Very elegant, rich pallu. And we have blouse piece with the copper zari and pink combination, and we also have borders in silver zari base. Very elegant saree, beautifully designed and woven, hand woven saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, bridal collection. Very beautiful copper zari var sarees with very elegant combination color. Here we have neon green on top of copper zari, which gives a beautiful copper glow as well as a green glow. Very elegant saree with meena work done on the copper zari all over the saree. It's an all silk weaving with borders in beautiful green, light green color with silver zari design in the borders. The top border is 4 inches and the bottom border is here 8 inches. Beautiful Kanjivaram type border. Best and beautiful wedding collection of Kanjivaram with the zari bar. You can see the bar threads, which is copper, and we have beautiful rich pallu. The pallu is also elegantly woven with hexagon weaving pattern. The blouse piece is copper zari mixed with light green color to give a beautiful glow with borders. Complete saree is an elegant, fine, beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree. A very beautiful copper zari bar with meena work done on silk threads, completely hand woven. Very elegant all silk weaving. Here we have a beautiful copper glow because of the bar, and on it violet color is used here with blue color used for the meena work. A kodi pattern all over. Very elegant weaving. Look like a 3D, but it's completely woven, and we have light blue color borders. The borders have silver zari woven design, jacquard weaving. Top border is 4 inches and the bottom border here is very elegant 8-inch border. The pallu of the saree is also very beautiful copper zari woven design. Copper zari base and the light blue is mixed, and we have all over copper zari woven design. Very rich pallu with same color blouse piece. You can see the zari and thread mixed finish in the blouse piece also with borders, which can be used for the sleeves of the blouse piece. Excellent saree, very beautiful design, attractive and gorgeous, comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a premium, beautiful, trendy zari warp collection. Beautiful and glittery sarees, fully handmade weaving. A gold saree here, very beautiful gold zari base with same golden work. It's a beautiful weaving pattern all over the saree with a blue combination borders. The borders are sky blue color with jacquard weaving. The top border is a 4-inch border, and we have a very beautiful 16-inch big border at the bottom. It's a very beautiful weaving. You can see the work, elegant one with same tissue pallu. The pallu have the tissue and embossed pattern weaving, and we have beautiful golden zari work in the pallu. It is interlock weaving technique with very elegant weaving pattern. And we have same tissue blouse piece. It's an embossed pattern blouse piece with both sides. We have beautiful borders which we can use for the sleeve. We will get a very big sleeve. Beautiful saree, a goldish, gorgeous saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a beautiful bridal collection on the copper zari base. Silver and meena work is done using blue here. A very different and beautiful pattern. A tree with lot of birds sitting pattern. Very elegantly on the copper base. The saree itself is in copper color here with the silver zari and the blue weaving. Very elegant weaving, hand weaving, and we have a light blue color borders. The borders are jacquard weaving with silver base color zari, and we have 4-inch border at the top, and we have a beautiful 10-inch border at the bottom. Both are Kanjivaram borders, and the pallu of the saree here is also on the copper zari weaving. Very beautifully, copper and silver are mixed and woven. Very beautiful design, and we have blouse piece that is also a copper and blue mix, light blue and copper mix. This is a very pretty color with both side borders, which can be used for the sleeves. Excellent saree. The combination of the saree is very rare with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a very beautiful bridal silk with meena work and all over all silk weaving. On the base of copper zari, the bar here itself is a copper zari. You can see the copper glow on the saree. Along with that, olive green color is mixed to get a beautiful design. A tree on tree, the bird sitting design is given. The birds are done here using silk thread that is in pink color, which is very contrast to the body color. Really beautiful saree with excellent pallu, and the border of the saree is also in the pallu color, pink. The top border here is 4 inches and the bottom border is 8 inches with beautiful zari woven design. That is a silver zari used for borders along here. And we have a pallu that is in contrast, copper and pink mixed color. All over the pallu we have very elegant weaving, rich pallu with copper zari woven design, and we have Plain blouse piece with the both zari as well as pink threads are mixed. Even in the blouse piece we have the border which we can use for the sleeves. Beautiful design and excellent saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, copper zari base with beautiful all over self weaving, very different design, exclusive sarees, very elegant copper zari base. You can see the peacocks inside the beautiful floral pattern. Multiple colors are used, red and green are very prominent. On the copper base, you can see the very elegant peacock design which is done using silk threads again. So we have work concept with green combination. The green is also bright parrot green color. The top border of the saree here is 4 inches with jacquard weaving and the bottom border is 8 inches. Both done using golden zari, and we have a very beautiful zari silk saree. You can see the beautiful copper zari finish bar. On it the golden zari weaving is done in the pallu. Very beautiful design with the same copper and green combination blouse piece. The blouse piece is also very beautiful with both sides border which you can use for the sleeves. Excellent saree with elegant copper base and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal collection. Very beautiful copper zari base, a party and a celebration there, mainly for weddings. And here we have a pink combination, bright pink, very lovely color with copper base zari. Elegant floral pattern, very trendy and beautiful modern design all over, which is woven, hand woven design. And the pink borders are given on with silver zari weaving. The top border is 4 inches and the bottom border is 8 inches. Beautiful combination, the copper and pink are. And we have a blouse piece and pallu which is also in copper zari with pink combination. Hexagon pattern all over weaving with the meena work in the pallu. And the blouse piece of the saree here is also a very elegant zari and silk woven. Pink and copper zari is woven here with borders which can be used for the sleeves. Excellent saree, beautiful, rich collection, very fast moving and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a very beautiful copper zari based sarees with beautiful green combination in this particular saree. Very different geometric pattern all over the saree. It's a zigzag weaving horizontally being done using both silver as well as copper zaris. Very elegant all over woven, beautiful design with borders that is in light parrot green. Top border is a 4-inch border with jacquard weaving in silver and bottom border is 8-inch border. Same jacquard weaving and it is a beautiful border. The saree's pallu is also on the copper base with green combination. And all over copper zari as well as silver zari with meena work is done in the pallu. Grand pallu with beautiful light parrot green mixed with copper color blouse piece, and we have very elegant borders which we can use for the sleeves of the blouse piece. Excellent saree, beautiful color, very different pattern, exclusive collection too with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, bridal collection with very elegant copper zari base, and we have a beautiful copper zari base with pink combination here, dark magenta pink, and we have all over meena work which is done using beautiful blue color. The same blue color as the borders here with silver zari weaving in the borders. Top border is jacquard weaving on the blue base with silver zari in 4 inches and the bottom border is 10 inches. Excellent saree, almost like a 3D weaving. It is completely hand woven, beautiful finished sarees. The pallu of the saree here is also in the blue and a combination of copper. And all over it is green, copper and silver both used for the pallu design. And the blouse piece here is blue with copper zari combination and the borders are given on the blouse piece which we can use for the sleeves. Such an elegant saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a very beautiful bridal silk with copper zari base. The complete zari bark it is, copper zari is used, and we have a beautiful pink shade, a copper zari shade as well as yellow shade in this particular saree. Very beautiful one with diagonal weaving patterns, completely all self weaving, handmade one with a very big border. The border of the saree is 16 inches at the bottom, which is very rich and beautiful. The top border of the saree is 6 inches in short one. A completely jacquard weaving, hand woven, very elegant collection with a beautiful tissue woven pallu. The pallu have copper zari work and it is rich and grand. With same tissue woven blouse piece. It's an embossed pattern in the blouse piece, tissue base, and we have the borders on both sides. This border can be used for a big sleeve, almost a 3/4 sleeve we will get. Beautiful saree with excellent design and it comes with authentic silk work.